A development team is building a game where players can buy items with virtual coins. For every virtual coin bought by a user, both the players table as well as the items table in DynamoDB need to be updated simultaneously using an all or nothing operation. How will you implement this functionality? Capture the transactions in the items table using DynamoDB streams and then sync with the players table. Use batch write item API to update multiple tables simultaneously. Capture the transactions in the players table using DynamoDB streams and then sync with the items table. Use transaction write items API of DynamoDB transactions. Use transaction write items of DynamoDB transactions. You can perform a transaction that contains one or more write operations across multiple tables, ensures all or nothing kind of thing. Okay. A dev has been asked to configure access to an EC2 instance hosting a web application. The developer has configured a new security group to permit incoming HTTP traffic from and retained any default outbound rules. A custom NACL connected with the instance's subnet is configured, okay, to permit incoming and retained any default outbound rules. Which of the following solutions would you suggest if the EC2 instance needs to accept and respond to requests from the internet? An outbound rule on the security group has to be configured to allow the response to be sent to the client on the HTTP port. The configuration is complete on the EC2 instance for accepting and responding to requests. An outbound rule must be added to the NACL to allow the response to be sent to the client on the ephemeral port range. Outbound rules need to be configured both on the security group and on the NACL for sending responses to the internet gateway. An outbound rule must be added to the NACL to allow the response to be sent to the client on the ephemeral port range. Okay, it makes the response from the instance to ephemeral port range typically. Okay, I need to study ephemeral port. The technology team at an investment bank uses DynamoDB to facilitate high-frequency trading where multiple trades can try and update an item at the same time. Which of the following actions would make sure that only the last updated value of any item is used in the application? Okay, use consistent read, true while doing get item operation for any item, true while doing update item operation, true while doing put item operation for any item, false while doing put item operation for any item. Ooh, okay, an e-commerce company manages a microservices application that receives orders from various partners through a customized API for each partner exposed via API gateway. The orders are processed by a shared Lambda function. How can the company notify each partner regarding the status of their respective orders in the most efficient manner without affecting other partners' orders? Also, the solution should be scalable to accommodate new partners with minimal code changes required. Okay, set up a separate SNS topic for each partner and subscribe each partner to the respective SNS topic. Modify the Lambda function to public messages with specific attributes to the partner's SNS topic and apply the appropriate filter the topic subscriptions. Set up a separate Lambda function for each partner. Set up an SNS topic and subscribe each partner to the SNS topic. Modify each partner's Lambda function to publish messages with specific attributes to the SNS topic and apply the appropriate filter policy to the topic subscriptions. Set up a separate SNS topic for each partner. Modify the Lambda function to publish messages for each partner to the partner's SNS topic. Set up an SNS topic and subscribe each partner to the SNS topic. Modify the Lambda function to publish messages with special attributes to the SNS topic. and apply the appropriate filter policy to the topic subscriptions. Set up an SNS topic and subscribe each partner to the SNS topic. Modify the Lambda function to public messages. Publish messages with specific attributes to the SNS topic and apply the appropriate filter policy to this topic subscriptions. All right, let's finish there.